Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7 chapter 2 fractions, decimals and rational numbers review exercise. About fractions and types of fractions, already we have done a video in our channel. That link will be given in the description box. You can see that video. So today we are going to learn about review exercise of second chapter. See now. Look at the fractions and fill them in the table 1 by 2, 5 by 3, 11 by 9, 23 by 25, 19 by 100, 99 by 70. Now we have to separate them as proper fraction and improper fraction. If there is improper fraction, we have to convert them to mixed fraction. First, let us see what is a proper fraction and improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator, it is called as proper fraction. See 1 by 2, here numerator 1 that is less than denominator, so it is a proper fraction. So we have written here under proper fraction. See now second fraction, that is 5 by 3. So first let us see what is an improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to denominator, it is called as improper fraction. Here 5 by 3 fraction, numerator 5 is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. So we have written under improper fraction. Now let us convert this to mixed fraction. First we have to do division. 3 table, 3 ones are 3. So 5 minus 3, remainder 2. So the mixed fraction will be 1, 2 by 3. See now third fraction, that is 11 by 9. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is also an improper fraction. So we have written under improper fraction. Now let us convert this to mixed fraction. So first we have to do here division. 9 table 9 ones are 9. 11 minus 9, remainder 2. So the mixed fraction is 1, 2 by 9. See now fourth fraction, 23 by 25. Here numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. So we have written under proper fraction only. See next fraction, that is 19 by 100. Here also numerator is less than the denominator. So it is also a proper fraction. See now last one, 99 by 70. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. So we have written under improper fraction, that is 99 by 70. Now let us convert this to mixed fraction. So first we have to do division. 70 ones are 70. So 99 minus 70, that is 29. So the mixed fraction is here 129 by 70. So we have written answer 129 by 70. See now question number 2. Write the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from lowest to highest. See the first sum now, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 17 by 2 and 9 by 2. If we observe all these fractions having denominators same, so such fractions are called as like fractions. Now let us arrange them in ascending order. Observe the numerators here, least one is 1, so write on 1 by 2. Next one 3 by 2. Next one 5 by 2. Next 9 by 2. And last 17 by 2. So we have arranged them from lowest to highest. So the ascending order is 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 9 by 2 and 17 by 2. See now second sum, 6 by 5, 11 by 10, 19 by 5, 7 by 10, 5 by 10. Here if you observe the denominators, 3 fractions having denominator as 10 and 2 fractions having denominators as 5. So these fractions are not like fractions. Only 3 are like fractions and the other 2 are not like fractions. So to make them all the fractions as like fractions, we have to make the denominators same. For that we have to do LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of 5, 10. So let us do LCM here. 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So LCM equals to 5 into 2, that equals to 10. So LCM of 5, 10 is 10. Now let us change the 6 by 5 and 19 by 5 denominators. So write down 6 by 5 equals to 6 by 5 into To make denominators equal, we got LCM here 10. So 5 table 2 times 10. So multiply numerator and denominator with same number 2. So 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. So 6 by 5 we changed it as 12 by 10. See other fraction 19 by 5, that equals to 19 by 5 into 2 by 2. That equals to 19 2s are 38 by 5 2s are 10. Now we have changed 19 by 5 fraction as 38 by 10. So 6 by 5 means we got answer here 12 by 10. Next 11 by 10. 19 by 5 means 38 by 10. Next 7 by 10. 5 by 10. So now we have changed all the given fractions as like fractions having same denominator. Now let us write them in ascending order among all fractions, which is least one, 5 by 10. So write an answer here 5 by 10. Next 7 by 10. Next 11 by 10. 12 by 10. 38 by 10. That implies 5 by 10 comma 7 by 10 comma 11 by 10. 12 by 10 means 6 by 5. Write down. Next 38 by 10, that is 19 by 5. Write down 19 by 5. Therefore the ascending order of second question is 5 by 10, 7 by 10, 11 by 10, 6 by 5 and 19 by 5. See now second question, third sum, 8 by 3, 7 by 6, 3 1 by 4, 5 by 3, 11 by 4. Here there is a mixed fraction. Let us convert them to improper. So write down 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. So we have written all the given other fractions also. If we observe the denominators, all are different. So these are unlike fractions. To make them as like fractions, first we have to do LCM of denominators, that is 3, 6 and 4. 3 table 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 as it is we have written. Now with 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now LCM is 3 into 2 into 2. That is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now the given fractions we have to convert to like fractions. So to make the denominator as 12, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with a number. First fraction is 8 by 3, that equals to 8 by 3 into 3 table 12 is 4 times. So numerator and denominator multiply by 4. So 8 4s are 32, 3 4s are 12. So the fraction is here 32 by 12. See the next one, 7 by 6, that equals to 7 by 6 into 6 table 12 is 2 times. So numerator and denominator we multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12. See the next fraction, 13 by 4. 13 by 4 into 4 table 12 is 3 times. So numerator and denominator we multiplied by 3. 13 3s are 39, 4 3s are 12. See next fraction, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 into 3 table 12 is 4 times. So 4 numerator and denominator we have multiplied. So 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12. See the last fraction, 11 by 4. That equals to 11 by 4 into 4 table 12 is 3 times. So numerator and denominator we multiplied by 3. 11 3s are 33, 4 3s are 12. Now we have converted all the given fractions to like fractions having same denominator as 12. Now let us write them in ascending order. Which is the least one here? 14 by 12. Next one, 20 by 12. Then next 32 by 12. Next 33 by 12. Then after 39 by 12. We have written in ascending order, lowest to highest. Now let us write their original fractions here. 14 by 12 means 7 by 6. 20 by 12 means 5 by 3. 32 by 12 means 8 by 3. 33 by 12 means 11 by 4. 39 by 12 is 13 by 4. So the ascending order of the third sum is 7 by 6, 5 by 3, 8 by 3, 11 by 4 and 13 by 4. For ascending order, whenever they are given unlike fractions, first we have to do the LCM of denominators. Then we have to convert the given fractions to like fractions. Then after only we can write them in ascending order. Similarly, for descending order also we have to follow same way. But in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from highest to lowest. See now third question, solve the following. First one, 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Whenever we have to do fractions addition, the given fraction should be like fractions. Here these two fractions having same denominator, so these are like fractions. Now let us do addition. So write down denominator as 4. Now add the numerators 3 plus 7. That equals to 3 plus 7 is 10. Denominator is 4. So write down fraction 10 by 4. This can be simplified further. In 2 table 10 is 5 times and 4 is 2 times. So the answer is here 5 by 2. See now second one 5 by 6 plus 7 by 12. Here these two fractions having different denominators. So these are unlike fractions. To make these fractions as like fractions we have to do LCM of denominators. That is 6, 12. 3 table 2 times 6, 4 times 12. Now 2 table 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now the LCM is 3 into 2 into 2. 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. So the LCM of given denominator 6 and 12 is 12. Now write down LCM as 12. So the denominator is 12. Now write down numerator 5 into 6 table 12 is 2 times. Write down 2 plus write down next numerator 7 into 12 table 12 is 1 time. That equals to multiply now 5 twos are 10. 7 ones are 7 by 12. That equals to 10 plus 7, 17 by 12. So the answer is here 17 by 12. This can be simplified further. This fraction is an improper fraction. This can be converted to mixed fraction by doing division. 12 table 12 ones are 12. 17 minus 12 is remainder 5. So the answer is 1 5 by 12. So 17 by 12 we converted to mixed fraction as 1 5 by 12. See now third question, third sum, 1 7 by 8 minus 1 by 5. It is a mixed fraction. Now let us convert 1 7 by 8 mixed fraction as improper fraction. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 7 that is 15. Denominator is 8. So 1 7 by 8 mixed fraction we converted to improper fraction as 15 by 8 minus 1 by 5. Here both are unlike fractions. Let us do LCM of their denominators. 5, 8. 5 and 8 not present together in any single table. So let us multiply these two directly. 5 8s are 40. So LCM of the given denominators is 40. So write down 1 7 by 8 minus 1 by 5 that equals to 15 by 8 minus 1 by 5. That equals to LCM of denominators is 40. Now write down numerator 15 into 8 table 40 is 5 times minus write down next numerator 1 into 5 table 40 is 8 times. That equals to 15 5s are 75 minus 8. So 75 minus 8 by 40. That equals to now we have to do the subtraction. 75 minus 8 is 67. Write down 67 by 40 as answer. This is an improper fraction. This can be simplified or converted into mixed fraction by doing division. 41s are 40. Let us do subtraction. 67 minus 40 is 27. So 67 by 40 improper fraction converted to mixed fraction as 127 by 40. See now third question, fourth sum, 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. These two are mixed fractions. Let us convert them to improper fractions. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So write down 9 by 2 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. Write down 10 by 3. These two are having different denominators. So these two are unlike fractions. Let us do LCM of the denominators 2 and 3, that is 2 into 3 that equals to 6. So write down 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3 equals to 9 by 2 minus 10 by 3. That equals to 2 and 3 LCM of denominators we got as 6. So write down denominator as 6. Now write down numerator 9 into 2 table 6 is 3 times minus next numerator 10 into 3 table 6 is 2 times. That equals to 9 3s are 27 minus 10 2s are 20 by 6. That equals to 27 minus 20, that is 7 by 6. This is an improper fraction. This can be converted to mixed fraction by doing division. 6 table 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6 1. So the answer is 1 1 by 6. Write an answer 7 by 6 as 1 1 by 6. So this is our answer. See now question number 4. Simplify the following. See the first one. 1 by 4 of 3. Of means nothing but multiplication. Write down 1 by 4 into 3. That equals to 1 into 3, 3. By denominator 4. So the answer is 3 by 4. See now second question, 5 by 8 of 2 by 3. That equals to 5 by 8 of means into 2 by 3. That equals to multiply numerators and denominators separately. 5 into 2, 10. 8 3s are 24. So the answer is 10 by 24. This can be simplified further. 2 table 5 times 10, 12 times 24. So the answer is 5 by 12. See now third question, 15 by 4 into 2 1 by 7. Here we are having mixed fraction. Let us convert this into improper fraction. So write down 15 by 4 into 7 2s are 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 7. That equals to multiply numerators and denominators separately. 15 15s are 225 by 4 7s are 28. This is an improper fraction. This can be simplified by doing division. 28 table 8 times 224. 225 minus 224 remainder 1. So the answer is 8 1 by 28. See now fourth question, 3 1 by 3 into 2 2 by 5. Here both are mixed fractions. Let us convert them to improper. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So write down 10 by 3 into 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Write down 12 by 5. That equals to multiply numerators and denominators separately. 10 into 12, 120 by 3 5s are 15. 15 table 15 ones are 15. 15 is 120. So the answer is 8. See now question number 5. Solve the following. See the first sum 3 by 4 divided by 3. Here denominator not having any number, we can take it as 1. Let us solve this sum. Write down 3 by 4. Whenever fractions division is going on, we have to change the division symbol as into and write second fraction as reciprocal. That is 3 by 1 can be written as 1 by 3. That equals to, now multiply numerators 3 into 1, 3. Denominators 4 into 3, 12. That equals to 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So the answer is 1 by 4. Or else we can directly cancel here 3 and we can write the answer 1 by 4. See now second question, 8 divided to 1 by 7. Let us convert mixed fraction as improper. Write down 8 divided 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. Write down 15 by 7. Now 8 divided 15 by 7 can be written as 8 into. Change the division symbol as into and write the second fraction as reciprocal. 15 by 7 written as 7 by 15. That equals to multiply numerators 8 7s are 56. Denominator is 15. This is an improper fraction. This can be converted into mixed fraction by doing division. 15 3s are 45. 56 minus 45 is 11. So the answer is 311 by 15. See now third sum 12 by 7 divided by 2 by 7. So write down 12 by 7. Division symbol as into. Write 2 by 7 reciprocal as 7 by 2. See here 7 table, 7 is 1 time. 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So multiply numerator 6 into 1 is 6. So the answer is here 6. See now question number 4. 5 1 by 2 divided to 9 by 11. Here both are mixed fractions. Let us convert them to improper fractions. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Write down 11 by 2 divided 11 2s are 22 plus 9, that is 31 by 11. That equals to 11 by 2. Division symbol change it as into. Write reciprocal of 31 by 11 as 11 by 31. That equals to multiply numerators 11 into 11, 121 by 2 into 31, that is 62. This is an improper fraction. Now this can be simplified by doing division. 62 ones are 62. Let us do subtraction. 121 minus 62. That is 59. So the answer is 159 by 62. Today we have seen chapter 2 fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Review exercise all sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.